your favorite color pink, you know, me a man, and I don't love pink. So I'm going to be a big fan of your thing, a woman thing, them thing there. Is it?
So guys, this is a question to all my Jamaican people. For each and every one of you, I'm asking this question to. I mean, I have been on TikTok and I have watched so many different live. I've watched so many things going on TikTok. But one of the things I noticed is that I noticed Nicki Minaj. Ain't Nicki Minaj is a Trinidadian born. How comes she's not on the Trinidadians live giving them money, sharing money with them, giving them gifts, but it's only Jamaicans?
Blamdem.
Eh?
It's not it's yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Greetings, my people. I'm there, I'm shop my bongo piece open in the morning. I'm done now still. See? I said, I'm do one video. Big up my subscriber them, and I mean we give thanks once again. Well, I don't know if you know what I go on still, you know. You can see it in the title. The Jamaican, them a burn out Nicki Minaj. You see me? So, we have a few clips I'm find, I'm going to play. I'm going to play them, so the ones them can hear the Jamaican them what them have to say about the Nicki Minaj situation. Because Nicki Minaj is on TikTok, and the people them she surround herself with on the app, and when you can go see for yourself. Some drama people, them, you see it? And people love excitement, and anything will come to them out, them will talk. I saw them people stay, you know what I mean? So if you find them entertaining, you can search for them out. But we're going to play them clip for you where Jamaica and them are saying about Nicki Minaj and the situation go on. See, and if you don't agree or disagree, let from the thoughts now come.
In a very serious state of anger. Last week Sunday morning, me wake up and 20,000 persons were on live. Nicki Minaj, Blamdem, Pretty Dan, and the whole of them on live.
Blamdem.
Yeah.
Stop getting off the phone. Listen, when you left, I had to put TikTok boss in your place for a moment, okay? So my question to you is, if you have to do a group project with Rosalie for one whole week and you have to be kind to each other, can y'all do that without yelling and cursing?
Me not hear what you say a while ago. Me not hear.
Well, you need to listen, come and not bumbleclot repeat myself no more, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Blamdem.
Eh?
It's not it's yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I remember I did a live to say, it look like people at Jamaica no go to church again. And it look like nobody no go to church again. Because everybody depends on social media. And I am questioning, why is it Nicki Minaj take over Jamaican TikTokers? And if you don't see it, say the whole heap of gift them when Nicki Minaj a give, if it turn Jamaican TikTokers against each other, because it alleged, it appears as if some sacrifices there, and Nicki Minaj not helping Trinidad, but Nicki Minaj is setting Jamaican TikTokers. You remember? Forward to 1 week. This morning now me wake up. Fizzy Pretty Dan put out something. So
You know we. How we make Nicki know? Oh no. How first Nicki Minaj go live with boy? Remember say me and Puppy Crate sitting when you chat and laugh. How when Nicki come over there say 80,000 people there on the live. Go man. After 4 years ago. 5 years ago.
I blame them.
Code. Earth, drop top. Bagare, my dog. Good. Nicki this, Nicki that. Mad them.
Carry gunman go our house. Mass up with Nicki Minaj voice in the background to analyze her. You no continue take Nicki Minaj gift. You no continue take Nicki Minaj lion and see what go happen to you.
Well, let me touch your face. Tell the truth, say I'm bad and top tell lie. I make you like say somebody trouble you drunk.
You no continue take it and see what go happen to you. The whole of you go analyze each other because Nicki Minaj torment It's obvious that a lot of them will reach the top. And some whole heap of things they meddling up to reach the top. And you see, only because you no licky and no beggy, a whole lot of you go get caught in the crossfire. Me I wanna know but you no listen. What could have caused this great backlash between Pretty Dan and blamdem so till weapon get involved, so till blamdem camera pick up blamdem a Pretty Dan that input out by Instagram say him go there for true. What's happening with you people? What's happening? What kind of carelessness is this? What is it about Nicki Minaj? Why is she so careless and she so torment? Or what? Oh no, keep it up. Oh no, keep it up. Sorry shall be on a middle name. Because I'm not hungry and no licky. And I don't have no second eye to see. You see me? Me not get no gift from no, me not want it. Me declare already, me not want no gift. Because me not go afford to sacrifice my husband. When say so no can do no my husband nothing. My husband good. Me not go sacrifice my children for no gift. So no keep it. But you know it's one whole bunch of disgraceful. Oh no, I can't even find words to call you this man. There's a bunch of disgrace. Oh no.
The Americans are like, when was the last time you've seen Nicki Minaj? Where is Nicki Minaj? Sir! She over Jamaican TikTok pan live day in, day out. She is with her peoples. She has adopted the Jamaicans. She over there with her son Derek and with her daughter. I don't even want to call the daughter name because, yeah. But she's over Jamaican TikTok. She's over there at kiki and at kind and advocating for them. Does she know the full story of anything she's picking up for? No. Does she understand what these people are saying half the time? I don't think so. But she is over there taking care of her peoples. Okay? Look no further. Just as how we had stolen Rihanna, we clearly have now stolen Nicki Minaj. I thank you, bye.
So guys, this is a question to all my Jamaican people. For each and every one of you, I'm asking this question to. I mean, I have been on TikTok and I have watched so many different live. I've watched so many things going on TikTok. But one of the things I noticed is that I noticed Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj is a Trinidadian born. How comes she's not on the Trinidadians live giving them money, sharing money with them, giving them gifts, but it's only Jamaicans? Have anybody really think about that? Why is it Nicki Minaj is so quick to help Jamaicans and she's not quick and easily ready to help her home people by handing to them? I mean, as far as I see it, I mean, if you really look at it, has anybody really do any kind of research on these people, these celebrities that so easily hand out cash to people just like that? I don't see Rihanna doing it. She's from Barbados. I don't see she coming on live handing money to anybody. I don't see Rihanna engaging in conversations with locals. But Nicki Minaj is there. So the question is, why is she there and why is she doing it? And she's mostly doing it for Jamaicans. As far as I see it, all these things that is happening in Jamaica, all these crime, these killings are happening, these celebrities coming, handing money, and anybody knows about these money. Are these money clean? How clean is the money that they're handing to people? We only quick to accept and we don't question anything. To my Jamaican people, I really don't like the way how we are so easily licky and beggy and always in need. We should stop and think about the things that we're doing and be better people. And we can do better. I see this Rosalie now, she's trending. But I mean, all these money that she's getting and from even Nicki Minaj, how is that helping her? I mean, guys, come on. It is just crazy. I sit down and I watching everybody just doing all sort of stuff for the sake of money. For the sake of money. Our young people are dying. People are out there begging as if they can't get up and work. And it's just sad. The point is, what I'm trying to get at, if Nicki Minaj is not giving her own Trinidadian people, the question needs to be asked, why is she doing it? What is she gaining from it? All these bloodshedding in Jamaica and all these TikTokers that have been receiving money from so much of these so-called celebrities, are their money a part of them losing their lives? That is the question. And we need to think before we start accepting things from people. We're too greedy, licky, and beggy.
You hear me people, you hear what I want for yourself. You can leave your thoughts in the comment and know what you think. Yeah, but hear my view upon the whole thing now. A reality, you know, we know this, you know, because we born material thing and we born vanity. A reality. See? You see, we as Jamaican, most of we love foreigner. From day one, we make a video upon it. See? You can watch it for yourself. We love foreigner, you know, but same time, the foreign them find themselves in a problem, we start criticize them and talk a bag of thing. You see me? We all remember them. After a time, we forgot about them. So you see my message to Nicki Minaj right now. Yeah, you better research the culture and know the culture really well, you know. Yeah, because if you fall victim of certain thing, you know, over your country, you know, remember Jamaican people, they're gonna slaughter you. You hear that? But I know that. I think them, I material, I think them love, I think I you them really love. I hope I think for you. Yeah? And you have real people out there in the yard where them don't even want around them, you know. I tell you the truth, they don't want nothing from you, you know. You see me I say, I just materialistic people them will love certain things, we run back here and things. But make certain things happen to you. Them not business with you. You see me? You see what you do, just continue to do what you do, man. But just know say, anytime you fall short or anything at all, them people who are on this island in Jamaica, them are going to burn fire upon your hard. No joke, so know that. Don't get too excited and complacent. Because we hear you speak the language and you know what I mean, I say no certain vibration and yeah. Just know say a small percentage of Jamaican people, the material people them are run back at you. Yeah, because righteous people them not do that. No time at all, know that. Remember that, because I want them me not run back at you. No joke. You see me? And me no hate you or nothing, but me just not run back at you. You see me I say? Your favorite color pink, you know, me a man and me no love pink. So me couldn't be a big fan of your thing, a woman thing, them thing there. Is it? So just know that. Now nothing against you or nothing like that. But your cup of coffee is just not my tea. You see me? No joke. So just want you know them things there. Don't get too complacent with the people because you know you fall short in your country or where you come from or whatever, you know, they're going to slaughter you. You see me? They're going to try iron, they're going to burn fire upon you. And that me mean. You see me I say? No joke. And you come from Trinidad, when you say from Trinidad and Jamaica and Trinidad always now like a flare up vibe, you know. You say, I mean, people must say them now see you go over there go show your people them no love or nothing at all and this and that and back a thing. People have whole heap of things to say. People can share their opinion. People free to talk. But you have to be careful of what you say. You see me? So we love to see you go show your people them some love too. And get them mixed up in a certain things too. Don't just mix up our people them in a bangarang and they elusive thing. You see me I say? No joke, cause you hear some of them female talk and I say, yo, them not like the energy and the mix up. Cause right now, the way Jamaica run, you know, people. Jamaica run like the app, you know, like Tik Tok app, you know, and really, you know. Everybody want to take people about them mother figure suck this and that and all them thing there. You see me? And ruling and begging thing and just it just a show the illiterate side of Jamaica. And that Tik Tok do. I show the illiterate side of Jamaica. Tik Tok now, but yo, me now see good people over there. When the app, you know, we are righteous people, we are deal we edify the people, man, and spread good word and do good thing. Good is always, in everything we do, there's good and bad, know that. So we know good people over there, and make up all the real people over there, I do the right thing and not sell them soul. Because enough of them people that sell them soul for gold. You see me I say? No joke. So me I tell the people, you know, we must be mindful and aware. TikTok a damage a part of the culture too. And all the people over there, we are help contribute to damaging the culture. Just know say when judgment are forward, it will fall upon enough on the head. You see it? We not help destroy the culture too. And not going like we don't know it. You see me I say? And all I would up on phone and internet and everything, you know good from bad, you know. You see me I say no hot from cold, no left from right. So nobody is no fool. You know what I mean? So that's how we are going to left it. You see it? That's how we are going to left the reason right now. We're not jog it out too much. We're going to watch the vibration and then we come forward with a part our follow. You see me I say? Because we're not fool out here, you know, we see what go on and enough of them. I run down this material life and feel like they don't think their life and and I disrespect them people and I show other people love more than with them own people. Them quick to sell out them people them. But when them sell out them people them and people them turn them back against them, they want to run back to them own people them. That's why the place corrupt. Is it? So watch your number people. That's how we are left it, you know. Like and subscribe if you know. And left up and leave your thoughts. You see me? Or me asking if you don't just like up this video. Is it? Yes sir. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. Big up on yourself. Give one love and gratitude. And remember, you know, don't sell your soul for vanity. Keep your sanity up front and manity.